Tutorial for creating a Datafeed import from a URL. Click on the Posts menu. Click on the Post from Feeds link. The Multi-Feed Manager then appears. This is where all the data feeds that you have importing into your website will be shown. Click Create a new feed. You will then be presented with three options: create a feed from a URL, a local file, or an upload. In this tutorial we will use create a new feed from a URL. The Create a new feed from URL window then appears. Here we have four options. The feed URL. This is where we put the address of the data feed we want to import. Title for feed is used for our own reference. Put something in there that you can refer to this particular data feed. I normally use the merchant name. So for the purposes of this demo I will just put flowers. Re-import every is where the import from a URL differs from the other types of import. This allows the Datafeed plugin to re-import the data feed automatically and update your website on its own without any input from you. Here we can choose day, week or year. For this example I am going to use day. This will re-import the data feed every day. We then have to tell the plugin what type of data feed we are importing: XML, CSV or RSS. For this tutorial I will use an XML feed. Your Datafeed import from URL is now ready. You can click the Submit button and the plugin will go away, collect a copy of that data feed and import it into your system. You will then be taken back to the Multi-Feed Manager where you will see the data feed that you have just created. You can then click on that data feed to get the data feed options. If you click Edit Feed, you will be taken into the template for that data feed. At the top of that window you will see all the fields in the data feed that you've just imported. Each one will be given a reference by the Datafeed plugin. You will use this reference later in the template designer.